Welcome to Subject Pronouns Made Easy. In this lesson, we're meeting the stars of everyday conversation, the subject pronouns. Think of them like the cast of a play. Each one has a role, a voice, and a place on stage. As we go through the following lesson, you'll learn who these pronouns are, when to use them, and how they sound in real-life sentences. Let's take a look at subject pronouns in action. The correct pronoun for first person singular is I. It's used for talking about yourself. For example, I drink tea every morning. I am teaching you English. I is all about, well, me, or in your case, you. I is simple, confident, and always the star of the sentence. The pronoun for second person singular is you. It's used for talking to one person. For example, you are too kind. You are learning English. You is for talking directly to someone, just one person. Yes, you, the one watching this video. The pronoun for third person singular in the masculine form is he. It's used for talking about one man or boy. For example, he lives in London. He is going to Harrods on Saturday. He might be your dad, your friend, or that bloke who always forgets his umbrella. The pronoun for the third person singular in the feminine form is she. Used for talking about one woman or girl. For example, she works at the local pub. She enjoys talking to people. She is our go-to when speaking about one woman or girl. The pronoun for the third person singular for neutral or objects is it. It's used for talking about things, animals, or even ideas. It's raining cats and dogs. It's looking at me. It was a great idea. It handles all sorts. The weather, your cup of tea, or your missing sock. It's exceedingly versatile. The pronoun for the third person singular in the gender neutral form is they. It's used for talking about one person who's gender neutral, non-binary, or their gender is ambiguous. For example, they are my neighbour. This specific they isn't plural. It's singular and inclusive, and it's perfect for minding your manners and for creating a safe space for everyone. Okay, now for the plural forms. The pronoun for first person plural is we. It's used for talking about yourself and others. We are learning British English. We are great students. We means you're not alone. You and your classmates, you and me, we're all in this together. The pronoun for second person plural is you. It's used for talking to more than one person. For example, you are all invited to the party. You are all welcome. Yes, you again, but this time you're bringing your friends. In English, you is both singular and plural. Very efficient, don't you think? The pronoun for third person plural is they. It's used for talking about more than two or more people or things. They enjoy watching football. They love fish and chips. They could be your mates, your parents, or even your dogs. If it's more than one, it's they. Okay, so now it's your turn. Can you choose the correct subject pronoun? He loved learning English. I love learning English. It loved learning English. And the correct answer is B. I love learning English. My brother likes tea. We drinks it every day. My brother likes tea. He drinks it every day. My brother likes tea. They drink it every day. And the correct answer is B. He. My brother likes tea. He drinks it every day. Lucy and I study together. We are friends. Lucy and I study together. She are friends. Lucy and I study together. It are friends. And the correct answer is A, we. Lucy and I study together. We are friends. My cat is funny. He chases the leaves. My cat is funny. It chases the leaves. My cat is funny. You chases the leaves. And the correct answer is B, it. My cat is funny. It chases the leaves. I met my new colleague. She said they're from Leeds. I met my new colleague. They said they're from Leeds. I met my new colleague. He said they're from Leeds. And the correct answer is B, they. I met my new colleague. They said they're from Leeds. In this example, we don't know the gender of the subject, so they is correct and inclusive. Okay, so here's a few helpful tips to take away. English doesn't change for formal or informal speech. We always use you. It is only used for things, animals, or ideas, never people. Pronouns help you avoid repeating names, and they make sentences flow better. They is always a polite way to talk about someone if you do not know their gender. Thanks for joining me, and next time we'll dive into the possessive side of things because grammar, like love, can get a bit clingy. Until then, you're doing great. So keep practicing and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.